Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy 2500 with the Duramax in it. Customer called and said that they had started to notice lately that when they applied the brakes, the steering wheel would start to shake back and forth. They weren't really sure what was going on with it or why, but they'd like us to take a look at it. So we dropped it off, we took it for a drive, and sure enough, you start applying the brakes, you definitely would get that steering wheel vibration. We pulled it in, pulled the front wheels off. Brake pads were still in pretty good shape, but we did notice that there was some discoloration in the rotors, indicating that maybe they had gotten warped, causing a high spot, which would cause that steering wheel to shake every time the wheel went past while the brakes were applied. Advised the customer that we thought a new set of rotors would take care of the problem, put a new set of rotors on it, took it for a drive, sure enough. It drove smooth, everything was back in shape, very nice truck to drive all over again. So if you have a vehicle that's making some vibration while you're applying the brakes, not quite sure why or what's going on, that's definitely something we could take a look at and address for you. Thanks for watching. My name's Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people can get this information.